Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to put Tagalog caption on Capcut. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Capcut application on your device, and then after that, you just have to add here your video. Now, right here, you just have to ready your Tagalog script. So all you have to do here, once you are done adding your video or clip, you just have to click on this text option at the bottom, or you can also click on this captions. Okay, so we have two options right here. Now right here you just have to click on this add a captions, or you can also use the auto lyrics. But since we are using a different language in this video, what we're going to do here is to manually type out the translation of that language. So we're just going to click on the add captions option. So right here, you just have to click on it, and then you have to paste the text here, and then insert line breaks to split it into separate captions. So for example, magandang gabi. Okay, so magandang gabi. Kailangan mo lang yung i-type at i-click ang apply na nasa itaas. Now right here, you just have to select the voice that you want to use. So for example, this one. Okay, that's
Magandang
right. And then
gabi.
if you don't want the voiceover, you just need this caption. Just click on next after that. Then here, just have to set the duration of this caption. Okay, after that, you can now customize or put a style using this caption. So just simply click on it and then go to the style section. Okay, so we can change here the colors. We also have the effects, the animations. Okay, we also have here the bubbles. Then after adding those details, you can now export your video. So just simply click on this export option at the top right. And now your video is ready. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.